ये भगवान मेरा हाथ खा जाएगा वो।
I'm not single.
I'm not-
Be safe.
Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back. So today we are heading towards Doha Festival City Mall because it's very nice and very famous one, and it's my most favorite mall. It's for a reason, and I'm gonna show you why it is. So let's go, and I'll show you the journey along with me. Bye guys, see you there.
A few moments later.
So here we go, the metro, Matarkadi metro station. Come guys.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
मुझे देखना था कैसे देखते हैं।
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
अयो सॉरी,
नहीं
इधर ही देते हैं ना। ओके, ये भगवान मेरा हाथ खा जाएगा वो।
Going Doha Festival.
Where you going?
So fun. Doha Festival. For the Doha Festival, then after that we will go for the
Movie date.
movie date.
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया, औरत का चक्कर बहुत बेकार होता है।
Movie date with Rohit.
Watch this movie.
Fantastic.
Superman or what?
Anything we will choose on the spot, whatever is available. Okay, because it's not, it's coming in the, yeah, it's not coming in the online portals. We have to go there and only we have to check what it is. What do you want to watch? Superman. Okay, let's
No,
see.
Superman. What's fantasy?
War? No, I will not go for the war. We are outside.
Look, the sunset.
I think this is the only one metro line that it goes on the top, and also Mall of Qatar, right? It goes on the top. Rest everything it's underground, guys. Very pretty. Finally, we are in our destination, last destination.
Sorry?
This is the metro station where we will be getting down.
It's a huge metro station. Look.
Yeah, it's a huge one. Look at the parking. Oh my god. Yeah, it is.
It's all the parking here.
Guys, we are going in the metro bus. We are heading towards the mall. Let's see.
A few moments later.
Finally, we have reached to
It's
to Festival City Doha.
Madam, there is an entrance.
Okay, okay.
It's a Doha Festival. Finally, we reached here.
Finally,
Here
after
you will
how
get
much of
everything.
I
Everything
think
you will
finally
get there.
after 1 hour, no?
1 hour finally.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Let's do the shopping.
So
For
you
me,
are
HM.
sponsoring, huh?
For what? How
You are
come?
sponsoring.
Okay, let it be.
Yeah, so
Just-
much
just
of
50
money.
here.
Very good.
Just 50, 1,000.
We will sponsor, but you have to pay.
No, sponsor is what it is.
Our sponsor
Responsible is like, I will do everything. Don't worry. Be safe. टूट गया, हो गया नुकसान.
Who has
This is all
OCD?
made by the diamonds, you know.
This is made by me. All the interior work of this mall is been made by me.
All
I'm the
interior
interior of
designed
this
by her.
designer. It's me. So if you need anything in future
Just
of,
contact
for your
Mr.
home or for your
Kevita.
mall, you can tell me. I'm there. I'm there. It's Al Majid. Okay, let's go for the jewelry. I want to buy something. 50% discount, huh? Al Majid.
For what?
Al Majid jewelry.
Is it? Wow, yeah. Let's go, guys. Back to
These
the
are
school.
all my favorite brands. Okay, if you guys want to sponsor me anything, you can.
You can
Guys,
come by there.
ready?
Come, let's go. You want something? Buy two, get one free. Bottles, school, bags for your future kids.
No, before me, I think Pawan is going to get married.
How
so
come? You are.
It's okay. Girls
possible.
get married late nowadays. Now it's a trend that
my
boys
God.
get married first. Right, Rohit? You are the first person.
I'm so young.
Look, he's so young, still kid.
चिकना
just
चमेली
saying.
तेरे को वैसे मिलने वाली है
The main thing, we are single.
हाँ
You are not single.
I'm not
Okay.
single I'm committed
You have
cut cut cut
Oh my god.
Oh, Decathlon is here. Victoria's Secret Pink. You want to buy something from there?
So visit here, Doha Festival.
But you can also use, no?
For your future
Kiko.
girlfriend. It will
You guys want to go to Decathlon and see? I want to go to New Yorker,
Thank you.
my favorite. Let's go.
Bye guys.
Wow.
What you got? पहले मेरे को नहीं लगता था अच्छा.
Thank
When
you.
you want the roadies you are. I thought यार चल ठीक है.
Ha ha ha, got mine.
सब उसको अच्छा ही बोल रहे थे. Oh my god,
Whenever
what you
I
got
come
for
to-
me?
Whenever I come to New Yorker, I always buy one.
You got for me
I
also, or
love
let you just buy yourself? Got for me something?
Yeah, got for you also.
What's that?
Decathlon.
Let's be a kid sometimes. Let's play with the ball. Playing is strictly
But I'm
not
very,
allowed.
very
Oh my God.
excited to go to IKEA
After this.
after this. No, after this we'll have
IKEA,
food
where?
because our super guy is very, very hungry.
He didn't eat from morning, guys.
Not morning.
It's Superman. I don't want to. This one is good.
It's just a 69 reals. Just. Okay.
Want?
Yes. Okay, now this is mine.
You take it. I think you go to the gym. This one will help you.
Yeah.
Yes, I can never give up.
I have a
This one will
friend,
mo- this
Vishnu,
one will
so I'll
motivate you.
give this to him.
Who, Vishnu?
Yeah.
Ah. There are many Vishnu, by the way.
Oh.
It's crazy.
That's
Look the
nice.
collection, yaar.
Yeah.
Everything is like related to the
Actually,
sports.
this looks like a Wildcraft ka bag.
Huh,
you
you're
know,
right. Of
The
course.
design is Wildcraft. I have the Wildcraft bag like this, like light bluish kind of.
But she has this one, no?
Yeah.
It's nice, you
I
know.
think it's just
Everything related
25
to the
real.
sports and all. It's 25.
That's why. Looks nice.
Look the people.
Oh, some people are in tent also. Camping
They're doing
going
the
on.
camping.
Oh, when we go for the hunting and all, let's say in the night and all, this will be very useful.
You're right. For
That
this.
to keep it here. No?
Right. So like cycle ride.
We should go for hiking also. Huh? We can use that bag. Kata, there is nowhere to do hiking. I was thinking to take this one for home. What say?
This is for what? This chair.
This chair. So you
It's
can
good.
mold it and you can give it. It's
Can keep-
it's 279 real.
Oh my god.
For you, no?
Let's leave it then.
Very cheap for you.
I will not say anything now. Later I will say.
Crazy. Yeah, good
Nice.
collection.
There's skatings and everything.
Crazy.
Hey, if you want to go for, this is used for what? When
one
we
for
go
what?
for water park and all, you don't have to wear anything.
Ah.
So we wear this one when you go for the water park. We should go
So
for that
nice.
rickshaws water park.
Oh, it's in front
I'm
of
not
our hotel
promoting
also.
anybody. Huh?
In front of our hotel, and there's a good water park.
Where?
You know,
It's good?
You seen
I
my
don't know.
photos where there was multiple like your umbrellas. And I clicked some photos
okay.
there. It's good. Arey, in front of our hotel, man. Yeah,
This is for upcoming kid,
coming kid.
Rohit.
He's still kid.
Okay,
yeah.
let's go for pet puja now. Of course, we don't want to buy anything from here. But
Let's go
आज
there now.
जाएंगे ना 69 रियाल. हाँ
चलो ना एक बार देख के आते हैं.
हाँ चीज फैक्ट्री भी है उधर उस तरफ. Tea time. Tea time premium it is.
Full of the games. I don't want it. It's like cartoon show. Man.
Now here, if you go, no, they will show us like exactly how
This one,
the
yeah,
gaming
already-
it is. From here, we need to go inside.
हाँ
And then
यहाँ
they
नहीं
will
हमें
show-
यहाँ तक आए थे पिछली बार. We are from
Okay.
marketing. Oh my
Okay.
god.
See, this is what I was saying. Actually, I wanted next time to come with my friends, so that's why I wanted to show them. So this is how it is. Really nice.
Really?
And
What's
also, I
for
think
this
there
car?
was some like a room inside a room, right? That with the friends we can go. Okay,
But why the car is between here?
it's just to showcase, I believe, right? The car.
I thought some playing items.
Ah, okay, okay. Just 25 real, play and win
This
crores
one?
of car.
Oh my god. Okay, let's play then. We'll go by this to accommodation after it. Oh, crazy guys.
So yeah,
Laser
you have
works.
to go inside like here, and then you know you actually beat each other
क्या बात कर
because
रहे हो?
you
असली
feel
में?
like they're like how many people we can go? I think around 10. So there's a group, 2 people. So you have to sustain till the end. Whosoever sustain till the end, then it's like really nice. So guys, now I'm the
What is your
ambassador
own,
of
yeah?
this car. Who
Ah,
wants to come? They can come and free play and do.
we can do-
Please go ahead.
Okay guys, come on sit. Mansoora, Matrakali.
How much real?
I'm going
10
to
real?
India back.
Yeah, you can.
Wow, it's like fully real, man. This is Gaya. Chale?
Chalo,
Let's
chalo.
go to India. Boom.
You are going to that house. Whose house is that? My house.
Obama. It's your house? The center. तोड़ देते हैं सब कुछ.
Me. Stop.
Pip pip. Pip pip.
Something 100 real something. You can play whole time.
कहाँ से जिम में आ गए थे? जिम में कहाँ से रह गए?
Guys, so this one is actually given by one of the perfume guys. So you should never throw this one. What you do, you collect, and then you put it underneath your clothes.
Ah.
So the clothes will actually smell so
Oh my God.
good.
Let's go guys.
This
Let's
hack is
collect
very,
money.
very good. Try,
Let's
guys.
collect 10-15.
कौन है ये लोग कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
So it's
We got the
looking so yummy,
pizza
guys.
party
Cheesy.
from our favorite Papa John's. Not sponsored.
Sponsor you only?
Yeah, you can sponsor us exactly. This is my favorite spicy chicken ranch pizza. Let's have it. Go for it, guys. Ah. So good. Wow, look at the
guys.
people. Look at the crowd.
It's huge. It's all like
So
all the
crowded.
3 people
I
are
think
here.
it's Monday.
It's not weekend
Exactly.
also,
It's
yeah.
actually crowded.
You will see
Because it's
all
no,
like
this is festival city
white,
though.
black.
Everywhere.
Ah,
DFC,
that's why.
it was always busy. Let's go to Lego, guys.
So these people like
let go, let go.
Lego.
Wow. It's all by like handmade, huh? Our childhood dreams.
But actually, this
Childhood
is
dreams
very
है
mind game
China
play things, right? Patience to do it.
What is?
हाँ, सब छोटे पार्ट से सब बिल्ड करना है पे इंस्ट्रक्शन रहेंगे पता लगे बट स्टिल
ये आगे भी देखना हो?
मुझे अपने घर जाना है.
Ready
Guys,
to
so
okay,
we are
I
going
know it.
towards IKEA, the entrance. Let's go.
That's what. Let's go
Excited?
from here. You want to go
Okay,
from
okay,
here?
from
Go
here.
from here. You're a gym
No,
guy.
it's cardio. This is the actual cardio that we will be going. Finally, we are
Yeah.
going to our destination.
where we are planning to go
Yeah, from since the beginning, but we landed somewhere, and.
yeah,
Like after 2 hours, we are reaching here.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
So let's go.